Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to show you a walk around, start up and drive video on a 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Now, this isn't your run-of-the-mill ordinary 81 Z28. This car has been a rotisserie restoration. It has been a nut and bolt restoration. You can look underneath of it. Every nut and bolt seems to have been touched on this car. It is an absolute beautiful car. 350 engine, mile built, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, long tube headers, power steering, power brakes. This car does have vintage air, classic car air, old car air added to it. You can see how nice this car is. Just check out the engine compartment. The engine, how nicely painted that is. Underneath the hood, the air induction on this car works. It is an air induction car and that works. Air conditioning works in this car. You see all new AC lines on this car, the radiator, the fan shroud, just everything. The paint, the body on this car is absolutely spectacular. I don't think you'd find another Z28 in this vintage that's this nice. Just an absolute beauty. And I don't think they come in any better color either. That orange is absolutely splendid. Brand new BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires, wrapped in the Z28 correct wheels. Let's open the trunk up here for you. The paint on this thing is absolutely gorgeous, like I said, folks. Nice carpet inside the trunk. All new weather stripping, new seals. They didn't cut any corners when they put this car together. It is very, very nice. It's got a keyless entry and it's got power locks, power door locks. Car has power windows. Man, what a nice car. I haven't got a chance to get underneath this car to get underneath your pictures of it yet, but check this out. Check it out. All new fuel lines, all new brake lines, all new body bushings, all new exhausts. The bottom side of the floor pans all have been redone. Not redone, but I mean, when the body was off the frame, you know, it's been all blasted and repainted. This car came out of the South. It was a Arizona car. So that's why it's just so nice, clean, and solid. Interior is very, very nice. New carpeting. Your door jambs are super nice. Seats are very nice. Tilt steering column. Your jambs, your door panels. It's got color keyed dual remote mirrors, both sides. Like I say, new door weather strippings. All these weather strippings are all new. Dome light works. Headliner, sail panels, package tray, rear seat, rear panels. All in really nice shape. Seat belts are all intact. Dash lights work. Horn works. Wipers work. Rear window defrost works. Radio works. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or breaks in the dash that I see. Steering wheel, Z28 steering wheel's in excellent shape. cigarette lighter works. Power windows. Left turn, right turn. Car sounds excellent too. License plate light. I don't think you're gonna find a nicer one of these cars. I really don't. And I'm not just saying that because it's ours. I mean, I'm just telling you that these cars, everyone I see is never ever this nice. This has been a frame off rotisserie restoration. You can see that the AC compressor was just kicked on, but it just kicked back off. Who knows? It could need a little bit of a charge, but it's got all new lights. It's got all new lights. Looks like all new taillights, headlights, lenses. What a honey of a car. I know that air works. It's cold in there. I'm going to price this car at $39,900. I think that's a great price for this car. You can never even think about restoring this car for that price. Kenyon Classic Cars. We're in Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here, 563-452-2450. www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous V28, give us a call. Or if you have a car you'd like to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car as well. There's your left turn signal. Tail lights, turn signals. I didn't try the brake lights. I'm in here by myself today, so. If you're looking for the best one of these, give us a call. Let's take her down the highway real quick. Tack works. Gauges all seem to work. Speedometer works. I'm turning around real fast. The gas gauge is on empty and everything else works in this car just like it should, so I'm gonna guess that gas gauge works, and I don't really want to run out, so. You can see how nice the paint is on the car. Automobile, everyone. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory, like I said, every day. So if you want to purchase this beautiful car, give us a call, or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock. Love to talk to you about this car. Check out the outside, this car out in the sun. It is just as beautiful as it is inside, maybe better. Put some gas in this thing, that way we don't run it out. Again, Kenyon Classics, 563-452-2450, www.kenyonauto.com. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, folks. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. And when I tell you the paint on this thing is really, really nice, the paint on this thing is really, really nice. I'm walking around the car and I literally see like nothing to point out to you.